I was flying solo between two inland country towns, a distance of 55 nautical miles in the Aero Club Cessna 150. As I was on my own, I soon became fidgety, playing with various switches and knobs in the cockpit. I decided to find out the extremes of the altimeter subscale, and after mentally noting the QNH of 1007, wound the subscale back to the lowest reading, 960. Then I wound it up to the highest reading, 1050. My curiosity satisfied, I began to wind back to 1007, but my attention was distracted by something on the ground. And I decided to descend and fly over my family's property at 500 foot AGL. This meant descending to 1100 feet, and mentally I calculated that at 250 feet per minute. It'd take about 8 minutes to descend from 3,000 feet. I trimmed for a 90 knot 250 foot per minute descent and glued my eyes on the panel. I had 5 hours of training in instrument flying, and I thought a descent on instruments would be good practice. Levelling out at an indicated 1100 feet, still flying on instruments, I trimmed the aircraft before looking up from the panel. I was startled to see the tops of the trees almost brushing the underside of the fuselage. I immediately applied power and climbed the aircraft to a safe height. I soon discovered the reason. The altimeter subscale was on 1023, 16 more than the correct QNH setting of 1007. As a result, my altimeter was overreading by about 480 feet. After being distracted while fiddling, I'd forgotten to finish resetting the altimeter. Lessons learnt. Keep your head outside the cockpit to maintain situational awareness. Don't get distracted during a critical part of flight. Double-check the QNH before descent. Find out more about flying in non-controlled airspace on CASA's Pilot Safety Hub, casa.gov.au/pilots.